Thousands of homes are damaged, if not entirely destroyed, and it may be weeks before we have final counts on both deaths and levels of destruction. We lost lives in at least 8 counties, and at least 18 counties suffered damage. As of this morning, our best count for confirmed deaths, the most accurate count we have as of this morning, are 64 Kentuckians. Remember, this is fluid, and the numbers will change, and sometimes they have, thank God, gone down. Other times they've gone up.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quicktake now for insight in an instant.